going on, everybody? Donnie, Nodak, me, and Mr. Ryan Robinson are going to do our first ice camp of the 2023-2024 season. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. We'll see. We'll see. I know I've been hammering the fish pretty good out there. So it's just a matter of... I can't find Ryan's house. But just a matter of catching them. So that's the plan. Hopefully everything goes as planned and we hammer the shit out of these fish. I'll see you guys out on the big lake. So anyway, look at this guy. We got him, and then that's where we just went. We just grabbed our minnows. Yeah, fuck. Go to this Runnings in Dickinson if y'all want shitloads of minnows on the cheap. They're big fuckers too, but spent more needless money on shit we probably already have as far as lures go, but that's how we roll. We are on our way out to the stomping grounds. Jacob Barr is already out there. Maybe we'll get to see him in the video. I don't know. He's been out there all night. I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but I don't know how he stayed up all night. But he's out there fishing. He said they're a little bit tight-lipped, but I told him what to use. But what do I know? I'm just saying. We're going to go hammer them. How do you feel about it, Ryan?
It's about time to fucking get off this fucking pump.
This dude fucking killed himself for the last 2 weeks out in the oil field. And now we're going to go hammer some fish. We'll see you guys out on the lake. We'll run down to where we're going to be setting up. Y'all setting up on 30, I think it's 33 or 34 foot of water. Been doing pretty good. It's on the main channel of the river north of the big lake. It's kind of like an eddy at 34 feet. It's an eddy that I feel like the fish go in, get out of the current a little bit. It's a deep eddy, and then it's next to a shelf. And I feel like they're coming up from that 34 foot spot on that to feed on that shelf at dark and after dark. I've only fished about an hour after dark, but I mean it was non-stop. I caught my limit every time right at dark, and then I'd get the hell out of Dodge. So we'll have to see how she works out here in a little bit. And roads are shitty. It's gonna take us a while to get up there. See, I got Ryan behind me, following me here. Back there. Got a pretty lengthy setup when we get out there, as we got 2 cots. We're gonna set up our rattle reels, everything, get ready to roll for the night. But hopefully it all works out. So we're set up out here. Ready to do some ice camping. Got our holes drilled, got some rattle reels set up. Nothing yet. Usually shit until later on, but set up to do some ice camping for sure. Comfy. Hey, Ryan!
Oh, it's a walleye.
A little walleye. Oh, that's an eater.
Sauger. Huh?
That's sockeye, maybe.
Sauger.
We got us an eater, boys and girls.
Fuck yeah.
It's an eater, and so it begins. I have a feeling we're gonna be up all night. You think, Ryan?
Yeah, I think so.
So we already got the one.
Starting to storm like a motherfucker, so that's a good sign.
We got blizzard conditions. It's nap time. We're gonna nap because we're gonna be up all night with these rattle reels. We'll see what happens very soon. Get it, Ryan! Oh, it's a birchie. You got another one. Oh, wait. What, are you hooked on your own?
No,
That's another one?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. What the fuck? How come mine aren't going off? What the fuck?
Come back.
Get him, Ryan! Feel better?
Another perch. Maybe, hopefully the biggest that perch.
See if it'll go with the bucket.
Oh, he spit it. Right at the end there.
Ah, son of a
It
bitch.
was 8-9 inch perch.
Booyah, we got him.
Good size?
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, he feels decent. Oh yeah, dude, that's a good fish. He's an eater!
There you go.
He's an eater! There we go. There's 28 more, Ryan. 28 more in 3 days.
Let's go.
They're down there right now. There's a school of them. Where's the knife? There it is, ladies and gents. Yeah, y'all, we're nowhere near the night bite yet. We still got 2 hours left before dark. And we already got 2 in the bucket and 2 small perch.
Here we go, here we go, here we go.
Get it, Ryan! Here we go. Rip his face off, Ryan! Is he on there?
Yeah, he's on there. Doesn't feel very big. He's on
Mine
there.
didn't either till it got to the top. It was an eater.
This feels like a perch. No, big walleye.
Ah. Oh. Smallest walleye to ever come out of this area. So far to date.
Come back down a bit.
Like I was saying, y'all, before that little punk ass walleye rudely interrupted us, we still got a little while before the bite. That last one was I was fucking with the camera and lost him on my jigging rod. This Fenwick here, and then he came back down and he smashed that dead stick. So, is that you? Ryan's got my PTSD kicking in with the rattle reels today.
You just wait till you go to sleep.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long night. Y'all ready? I know I'm ready.
He says he snores, so I'm gonna make sure to pull a rattle reel and then go to sleep.
Yeah, I was fucking passed out for about 20 minutes. Then Miss Pam called because we had power outages back at home because of the weather. But what better place to be when the power's going out at the house? So it's gonna be a good night, y'all. The bite's starting to come in. I just missed a pig, y'all, trying to fuck with this camera again. There you go. That'll eat. Yeah, it'll eat.
Is that something we want to keep?
It'll eat.
Ow, ow, bitch.
It'll eat.
Yeah, no. Yeah, it's a little small for where we're at.
Now we got a lot of fish to catch in the next few days.
Only what,
Here
15?
we go. We got another one right now.
I'm gonna be greedy.
Toss him back.
Yep.
17 or better, game, y'all. 17 or better.
Oh, maybe he's kept.
Yeah, dude, we bring him up from deep. We are in about 34, 35 foot of water, y'all. So, hopefully, there he goes. And he's gone.
Just had to revive him a little bit. Does it feel? Oh, I lost him.
Get them glowing. This is what we're using, y'all. Hot pink flutter spoon with buckshot rattles in it. I don't know exactly what it's called, but they work really well. Hot pink joint, get it glowing green. And they can't say no to it when they're down there. Seems like it anyway. They like it. Caught a couple on the dead sticks, obviously, but for jigging, this is what they seem to like. Kind of been one after another after another. They're coming in waves. Oh my God, that's a good fish.
Oh, it's good fish. Good fish.
That's a good fish. Finally, y'all. Finally, the money fish. He's been sniffing this shit for a while. There he is. There he is, buddy. There he is. Fuck yeah, baby. Now that's a fatty. There we go.
Go TikTok.
That's how we do it out in North Dakota. The big lake. The river system of the big lake anyway, y'all. Look at that fatty.
There you go.
Fuck yeah, you got that knife.
Yeah.
You know this dude's getting released to the grease. Right there.
You might have to turn away from this camera to do it though.
What?
Then he,
Oh, fucking
Any-
pussy ass TikTok. How do we do this thing?
click open, flip it. Oh my god, you're so old.
I am old. There it is.
I have to cover
Pussy ass TikTok.
I have to cover you guys up so I don't get
Here.
blocked here.
Dude, that's a fucking slobby right there.
There you go.
That's how they look out here. Fuck yeah, buddy. Dude, look at that monster.
Get some likes for that guy.
Woo! There it is. That's what we've been waiting on.
Yeah, you're about to have a mess with your feet and everything.
Absolutely.
Yeah, slipping your slippers.
TikTok? What's a fucking TikTok?
Old ass bastard.
For y'all don't know, you can find me and Ryan on YouTube. The original, the OG shit. It's not made by the Chinese. I'm just saying. Fuck you, TikTok. Somebody talking shit.
No.
Wait, I love TikTok. It's 2024. I'm offended.
Ooh, he's the other one down there.
Dude, that was a fucking pig right there, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we're still recording. Another prairie butterball.
Maybe not butterball. Maybe a little. Maybe it's. I can't believe it's not butter.
Aww.
Definitely can't believe it's not butter.
Aww.
Jesus.
Look how cute he
is. But it's big as him.
Look how sweet. Oh. Alright, next. That's that big fucker I've been playing with for the last 20-30 minutes, man. Well, it's that time, y'all. If we get woke up tonight, then I guess we'll try to hit the camera and record it. We'll do our best. We'll see what happens. But
Already, it kind of seems like every turn the lights off, a rattle reel goes down.
that's what just happened. Caught another one, as you can see in the picture. But we weren't fast enough to flip on the video. We weren't prepped for that. So I think they might be scared of this light. So we're gonna kill the lights, go to sleep, and hopefully Ryan will wake up for the rattle reels. Because Lord knows I'm not gonna wake up.
Yeah. Don will learn I sleep naked then.
With a dildo in his butt.
Oh.
But no, it was good. We got 5 now, right?
5 in the bucket.
We got 5 in the bucket that are worth a shit. Threw a couple back. Shit, dude, we got those perch videos. I don't even remember.
I think so,
I don't
maybe.
fucking remember. Well, that's happened today. We went and got some jambalaya, ate some dinner. But all right, y'all. We'll see you in the morning, or we're gonna see if we catch another fish. It's time to go to sleep. Get him, Ryan.
Oh yeah.
You got him?
That was a good one.
It's a good fish.
Good fish.
Maybe a burbot.
That's walleye.
Big fucker too, right? We've been sitting here playing with our phones, huh?
What the fuck is that?
That's
Cat.
a catfish. What the fuck?
Big old catfish.
Big old channel cat. What are the odds of that shit?
Oh, it's flying his foot. What the?
That's right. Right, about to toss him in his bed.
What is that?
That's a good sized channel cat, though.
What is that?
Yeah, that's crazy.
Here, take a picture of that. My first channel. It's the first catfish for you guys. Hold still, you slimy bastard.
You ready? That's crazy. How you feel about that, Ryan? Lay back in your bed holding that nasty fucker. Well, there it is. That's what's happening tonight. Yeah. Burbot?
I don't know anymore what anything is.
Ah, another sauger. That's a little sauger there. Get him, Ryan. Here we are.
Good size.
11:28. Another good fish or what?
Good fish. I don't know if another cat
That
or
30 or what? That's a good fish. It's gonna be a restless night tonight, y'all. Heck yeah, there we go. We got us an eater. I'm getting fucking drenched.
Fuck, another sauger. Sawguy.
That's a good sawguy too. Show the camera, Ryan. There you go. Fuck yeah. There's 6 for the evening.
Fuck, I haven't caught a single big walleye yet. Still haven't sawguy.
Yep. Oh shit. Get it, Ryan. That's a good fish too. Watch. Ryan's catching my fish, y'all. My back's tore up, so I'm just turning on the camera.
Oh yeah, good one.
Get him, Ryan. It's a good fish.
Decent.
You get him?
Yeah.
Ooh, snap. Hell yeah, that's a good fish. Camera see that fucker. That's a walleye. So I'm catching the walleye. Ryan's getting the sauger on his reels, or his rattle reels.
Weird.
That's crazy, right?
7.
7 for the day. Get warmer. And another one. Oh, it's a baby. Ain't worth getting up for that. Get it, Ryan. Get it, Ryan. It's a big one.
The hook is solid.
That's a big fucking fish right there. Fuck yeah, baby. There we go. And another one. Oh my god, you're all tangled up.
Oh, kind of fucking soaks you.
That's a good fatty, dude. No, he's not huge, but shit, that's an eater. What's that on his cheek? See it? By the other side of his gill. Or are they just seeing shit? Well, there you go, y'all. Another one. So we decided to call it after the first night. I decided to. I was gonna head out and Ryan didn't want to fish by himself. My back's fucked, so we're I'm going in for surgery here soon, so I'm not gonna fucking kill myself to catch any more fish. As you can see, we got our 2-man limit. We did good, you know.
Yeah, it was fun. Epic night. As soon as Don would start snoring, then fish would start biting.
It kept us up all night. See this footprint, y'all? Look at this footprint.
A lake.
Yeah, we didn't have flooring, so it melted down pretty hardcore. It's like we were sleeping in a kiddie pool, so fuck that.
We thought wood would work. It does not.
No, wood does not work. Wood actually gets warm and melts the floor. So either way, Donnie, Ryan, Nodak, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with your peeps. Check Ryan out on TikTok. What's your TikTok, Ryan?
Vicious Fish Nodak.
Vicious Fish Nodak. But you guys have a great rest.